Thanks, Joel. Good morning to you. Good morning, South Africa. I'm just going to continue that wet weather theme that Joel's been talking about and to remind you about the real possibility of flooding in parts of KZN, particularly in the north. This is a look at what we saw yesterday at Pongola with all that rain that's come down in KZN. And as Joel was saying, more today. Rivers are swollen, and in some cases, they just burst their banks, as you can see quite graphically from that picture that we put up there. So just stay vigilant if you've had heavy rains in your region or in regions that you're traveling into over the last little while, and there has been a lot of rain. About flooding is a real possibility, so just be very careful. But please don't cross any of those flooded rivers. That's a very dangerous practice. Some safety tips: if you are driving through wet weather conditions, drive at a much slower speed. Slower is safer always, but particularly in rain. Avoid overtaking. That becomes very dangerous. Leave plenty of space between you and the vehicle in front. If they get in trouble, you've got time to react. Ensure your wipers are working before you set off into the rain. Turn your lights on during rain just to increase the visibility of your vehicle, and brake gradually. If you slap those brakes on, then you could skid, lose control, and get in all sorts of trouble. So just follow those sort of safety tips for driving through the rain, which there is, as I say, plenty of that around at the moment. Misty as well across parts of KZN. This is a look between Pietermaritzburg and Hilton. So misty conditions there. Further down the other side of Pietermaritzburg towards Durban, it's quite misty around the Cato Ridge and sort of Linfield Park camp down Umblas Road area. So again, lights on when driving through either rain or misty conditions. And just to fairer climates down in the Cape Town area. There's a look at the N2. Pretty light volume still really across Cape Town. Traffic around the sort of highways going to Cape Town expected really only to build up from next Monday ahead of the schools going back during the week. So at this stage, you can afford to have a little bit of a sleep in still if you're driving into Cape Town. Volume's generally light. All right, a quick break and we're back with more of your favorites. Stay with us on Morning Live.